In this video, I'll show you how to upgrade your Skyworth Android TV. So to do this, you need to go into the settings, which is the small icon on the top right corner of your screen. And then depending which Skyworth TV you have, some of them will have device preference in that menu and some of them will have about. You need to select that option. And then if you had device preference, then you need to select about now. And then select System Software Update. It will search for an update and this way you'll be able to install it. If you're still having problems with your Skyworth TV after doing the update, I suggest that you unplug the TV, wait 5 minutes, and then plug it back into the wall socket. This solves many kinds of issues. I hope this video was useful. Please leave a like, a comment, also check the links in the description, and I will see you in the next one.